Damage repair system. Visibly heal signs of severe hair damage, when used as a system after the first use. This conditioner helps repair from within and deliver a smooth, conditioned feel. Smoothing keratin. This conditioner for damaged hair reaches into the hair fiber to help repair from within and deliver a smooth, conditioned feel. PROTEINFUSION blend. Nexxus conditioner is formulated with an exclusive protein fusion blend with keratin protein and black rice that helps replenish hair, leaving it revitalized and detangled. Salon-crafted hair care. Achieve salon-quality results at home when you use the Nexxus Keraphix conditioner of keratin hair treatments. See the science. Nexxus scientists used advanced protein science and custom-crafted our Keraphix conditioner to replenish the nutrients damaged hair loses for clinically proven healthier-looking hair in one use. Nexxus hair care products. Looking for the best shampoo and conditioner for hair repair? Nexxus Keraphix line of keratin shampoo and conditioner, plus our hair mask, restores your hair after one use. Top reviews from the United States. Great conditioner and the smell is amazing. Great conditioner. It leaves your hair feeling luxurious and the smell is amazing too. Give this one a try and you will continue to buy.